Okay, then we need to know how to find the reflection of a point. What is a reflection of a point? Reflection of a point is we will have two different reflections. One is across y-axis, the other is across x-axis. If say across y-axis, that means you use y just like a mirror. So you just flip it over y to jump to the other side of y-axis. Jump to the other side of y-axis. But you keep, so maybe this point we can call A, and this is A prime. Even you jump over y-axis, the distance from the point to the y-axis are the same. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance from the point to y-axis must be the same. So they both have the same distance to y-axis, but one is on the right hand side, the other is one on the left hand side. So I can say A prime is the reflection of A. Okay, so I can write this. The coordinate of A. How to find the coordinate of A? Just like I said, you draw a vertical line, see x coordinate first. You touch 4, so that will be 4. And then you draw a vertical line, see touch number 6. So that called 4, 6. This is A. Reflection across y-axis, the point where I call A prime. What is coordinate? X coordinate is -4. The y coordinate is also 6. Alright? So A prime, what you found? When you reflection across y-axis, the y coordinate of these 2 points are the same, and the x coordinate are opposite. X coordinate, the number is the same, just one is positive, the other is negative. Okay, how about reflection across x-axis? So just jump this point, jump over x-axis, jump to the other side of x-axis, but keep the same distance between this point and x-axis. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say A, the distance between A and x-axis is 6. This point I call A prime. It is the reflection of A across x-axis. The distance still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the coordinate of A prime? So you draw a vertical line, you found that the x coordinate is 4. Y coordinate, you draw a horizontal line, that's -6. So you notice when you across x-axis to find a reflection, across axis to find the reflection, A and A prime will have the same x coordinate. Across x, that means x coordinate the same. And the y coordinate is opposite, which means one is positive, the other is negative, but they have the same absolute value, which is 6. Okay, so let's do a little practice. If I give you a point, random select, ding. Okay, this point we called B. The coordinate is 3, -5, 3, -5. So x coordinate 3, y coordinate -5. So B. So can you help me to find the reflection across y-axis and x-axis? You can pause the video and try to do it by yourself. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I can tell you the answer. It's very easy. You don't have to draw it. You can just use the trick I tell you. When you reflect across y-axis, your y-coordinate remain the same. So it's -5. And then x-coordinate is the opposite. So 3, the opposite of 3 is -3. So I can say -3 and -5 is the point for B across y-axis. Let me plot this point. So -3, that means go to the last 3 units. -5, that means go down 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's here. So they have the same distance to y-axis, just like jump over y-axis. So this B prime is the reflection of B across y-axis. How about reflection over x? Reflection over x, then you keep the same x-coordinate, so still 3. However, the y-coordinate, you write the opposite of the original point. Write the opposite of the original y-coordinate, so it becomes 5. So you plot that point, 3, positive 3, that means go to the right 3 units. And positive 5, that means goes up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. Yeah, so like this point, B jump over x-axis to B prime prime. That's it. Okay, another thing I want to emphasize is quadrant, every point in quadrant 1, the x-coordinate and y-coordinate are both positive, quadrant 1, right? Because you see, no matter where you are, as long as you in quadrant 1, your x-coordinate is always positive. Your y-coordinate is also positive, no matter where you are. This is quadrant 1. So quadrant 1 we say positive, positive. For quadrant 2, you can see no matter where you are in quadrant 2, when you draw a vertical line, you will get a negative value. So, so the x-coordinate is always negative in quadrant 2. However, for y-coordinate, no matter where you go, the y-coordinate will be positive. So negative positive, negative for x, positive for y is for quadrant 2. Quadrant 3, no matter where you are, you will see both your x-coordinate and y-coordinate will be negative, right? So both negative, negative. Lastly, quadrant 4, you will see your x-coordinate is always positive and the y-coordinate always negative. Okay? So I think 14.1 and 14.2 you can actually try to draw the answer. You can see see the locations, so it will be easier for you to find the answer. I hope everyone can get a better score. If you don't understand anything, just let me know, or when you have trouble doing your homework. Okay, that's it.